Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. Today I'm gonna do a quick review of the House of Marley Buffalo Soldier Bluetooth wireless headphones, and consider yourself very lucky because nobody paid me for this review and I'm gonna be brutally honest with you. Now, before I do the unboxing of these headphones, a quick overview of what these headphones really represent. That's a new company that I've never really heard about. They've got something to do with Bob Marley, his children or something like that. I couldn't really find any relevant information about that online, but that doesn't really matter because the headphones themselves, they're quite expensive, about 150 bucks. If you're lucky, if you live in the UK, you can get them on Amazon for 100 pounds. And of course, when we talk about this amount of money, you expect something very decent, if not great. And the thing with headphones is, if you buy a cheap pair of headphones, they're probably not made of good quality materials, but they might sound okay, which is fine. If you buy an expensive pair of headphones, you expect premium quality and of course a premium sound. And that's where the Buffalo Soldier fails. Excellent build quality, but poor sound. But before I talk about a little bit about that, let's do the unboxing. Okay, so let's do a very quick unboxing over here, guys. First of all, the box is really nice and we've got a few things to check up over here. The battery life is supposedly 16 hours. I haven't really tested that, to be honest with you. 14mm drivers, optimal comfort, but the highlight over here is these three sections over here: wood, genuine leather and stainless steel. So let's pop this baby open and let's see what we have inside, guys. Again, a really nice box. You've got this carry back over here. It's definitely big enough for the headphones because they don't fold. I'm gonna leave them aside over here quickly. You've got some books over here. I'm not gonna read them. And a really nice braided cables. But keep something else in mind. This micro USB cable over here cannot be used to transfer data from other devices, just for charging. I had to mention it because for expensive headphones like that, you're definitely expecting that. So the headphones themselves are really nice, guys. The wood over here is exceptionally well made. The logo over here is really nicely carved over here. Stainless steel over here, a little bit sharp, but you can't really cut your fingers on it. And the head strap over here is made of genuine leather, a really premium overall build quality, guys. You've got this volume button over here, and you've got the power button and the 3.5mm jack, the micro USB charging port over here, and the notification LED. Of course, leather over here as well, genuine leather, really nice and cushiony. However, these cables over here, they just dangle like that. You can adjust them a little bit like that, but the thing is that when you put them on top of your head, they're really easily, coming down like that. And as you can see, this one is coming down easily, this one not that much. So I really don't like this aspect of the design, but otherwise, man, amazing build quality, one of the best I've seen. But how do they sound like? When you get a pair of headphones, you're probably using them wirelessly most of the time, and the sound coming out of them is quite flat, guys. And it's like when you pump the volume up to the max, it feels like it's at 40%. I mean, it feels that it can go way higher than that, but actually it doesn't. So they're quite inefficient in that respect. And the thing is that the cups over here doesn't really provide a very good sound insulation, and they're very easy to come off of your head like that. And the thing is that even if you use the wire, because with Bluetooth headphones, if you use them with the wire, sometimes there are differences, and there's a small difference as well over here. It's a little bit louder, there's just about a hint of bass, but pretty much it's all highs, guys. There is no middle ground over here. So no matter what kind of conditions and what kind of pairing method do you use via the cable or the Bluetooth, they don't sound good at all in any condition. So in conclusion, I would say excellent build quality, but they just look good, guys. The performance is absolutely ridiculous, so these headphones are a total rip-off. If you're looking to buy a decent pair of headphones, I've got 3 other recommendations for you. If you want to pay a little bit more money, get the Marshall Major 2. I have the review coming really soon, but these are amazing headphones. If you don't have the money, buy this Realbox headset over here, Realbox XBT880. 30 quid, they're gonna blow your socks off. And if you're looking for Noise cancelling on the cheap. The Mixider E9, I've got the review already done on them. A really good pair of headphones for just about 60 quid, guys. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next headphone review. Probably the Marshall one, but it might be something else as well. Thanks again, guys, and see you later. Adios.